Electrical interlocks help reduce the risk of electrical hazards such as shock and arc flash by preventing the enclosure door from being opened when the equipment is energized. In this installation video, we will be showing step-by-step instructions on how to install our NVH-style electrical interlock to a concept wall mount enclosure. Step 1. To mount the NVH-style interlock to a concept enclosure, first mark where the center is on the latching side of the door. If there is a latch in the center of the door, position the electrical interlock 3 inches above the center line of the door. Step 2. From the edge of the door, measure out 1.38 inches each way off the center and draw 2 straight lines away from the latching side of the door. Now on each line, measure out 2.66 inches from the edge of the door to mark the first 2 holes. To locate the other 2 holes, on each line, measure out 2.75 inches from the first hole to make a square. The distance between 2 holes is 2.75 inches apart. Drill 4 holes with a 0.219 inch diameter. Step 3. Place the gasket on front of the door over the holes and place the mounting plate on top. Step 4. Use the washers, lock washers, and hex nuts provided to install the interlock to the inside of the door. Do not tighten the nuts all the way down, as you may need to adjust the electrical interlock position later. Step 5. To mount the striker plate, first mark the center from inside of the body flange. From the center, measure out 0.5 inches to the right and left and draw 2 lines. To mark the 2 holes, measure out 0.343 inches down from the top of the body flange along the 2 lines. Then mark and drill 2 holes with a 0.219 inch diameter. Use the nut plate, sealing washers, and screws provided to install the striker plate. If there is a latch in the center of the door, position the striker plate 3 inches above the center line of the door. To test the interlock, power up the electrical interlock to verify that it is in the correct location. Adjust the electrical interlock as required. After that, tighten the nuts of the electrical interlock to secure the position. Finally, close the enclosure door and verify that the door remains locked when the electrical interlock is engaged and the quarter-turn latches are unlatched. Step 7. Affix the warning label on top of the mounting plate. We have concluded the installation video of the NVH-style electrical interlock to a concept wall mount enclosure. Thank you for watching.